Hello guys, what's up? This is Kai from Tizaw. Today I will show you how to open Microsoft Word in run command. Let's get started. First of all, I'm using shortcut key for open RAM. Press Windows plus R, then type Win Word. Press OK. Let's see here open Microsoft Word. Right now I am showing another method to open run. First of all, type here run. Then you have find run system. It says system apps. Then press here. Then open run here. Then I am typing again win word. Then press OK. Look, open Microsoft Word. Easy to use and too much fast. You can open Microsoft Word using this run command. That's it.